Hey guys, welcome to Grand Teton Harley-Davidson. My name is Austin. I'm the finance and insurance manager here in the building. Today we're going to give you a brief walkthrough of what we can do customize-wise in the shop. So over here on this side, we have a bone stock, brand new 2023 Road Glide Standard. This is equipped with a 107 motor, 2-passenger capability, as well as chrome trim with Enforcer wheels. On this side over here, we have my personal 2023 Road Glide Standard. This is the exact same motorcycle that we've put a little bit of effort into. A couple of key differences we did here. We're going to start at the top. We've got a 9.5-inch Clockwork Sport Flare windshield. We've got the Kraus Wolf 1 Moto T-Bar set with the upper triple tree and the gauge relocation. We've done a Fosgate Stage 2 stereo with fairing speakers and bag speakers. Moving down, we have the CVO fairing spoiler as well as a chopped engine guard. We have done a full 128 Stage 4 Harley engine build with Screaming Eagle components. We have put the Sawicki Speed 2-to-1 exhaust with carbon fiber heat shields on. And then, moving back here a little more, we have the Fosgate bag speakers and one of the most favorite features of mine, the Öhlins rear suspension. This bike is set up with all sorts of cool little features that we can do in the shop. One of my favorite parts about this motorcycle we changed, on the standards, they come with the Enforcer 2 wheels. What we've done is we put some Prodigy wheels on this, and I like the Prodigy wheels more because they come in black. As well as we did some sweet gold accents. We got gold rotors on this side versus the standard on this side. And then we did a cowbell delete from the standard to this. And we did the Arlen Ness gold fork tubes and had Tag coat these for us in bike black. When I started thinking of how I wanted to do this bike, I really like the Iron Man golden red. So what we did, we took this over to Tag Coating here in town, and we had them coat this gold for us as well as paint the engine black. Then we did a Flow Moto kit with gold floorboards as well as the brake pad, Screaming Eagle heavy breather intake, and a full 128 kit. So when it comes to exhaust on motorcycles, what I did when I did this one, we found one that I haven't seen on a motorcycle yet. We found the Sawicki Speed Shop exhaust. And what I really like about it is it's got a cannon end and comes out mid-length underneath the saddlebags, as well as they do sell some pretty cool carbon fiber heat shields. This exhaust is loud and makes a lot of power. So check it out guys, on this stock motorcycle, we have a 107 with the stock exhaust from Harley-Davidson. I'm gonna show you guys how different they sound. Moving on to this side, we have a 128 kit. Up here, we've got some really cool features that people don't take advantage of. One of my personal favorites is up here on the docking hardware where your backrest connects. We've got magnetic covers to cover the chrome. They just snap on and off on the front and back. We also have the Rockford Fosgate stereo and the saddlebag black lid latches on both sides. You can see that black looks really good against the red. We also have this Harley CVO Solo style saddle with a passenger pillion. Moving up here, we have the Kraus handlebars. These are Flymoto dirt bike bars attached to a Harley with a triple tree. Got the ODI quad lock dirt bike grips, as well as some Lucky Speed Shop shorty trigger levers up front. One of the reasons I bought the Harley Road Glide is for the fixed fairing. I always buy Road Glides because I love the fixed fairing and the wind bubble that you sit in when you ride it. You can do mild or you can do wild, but I still love the Road Glides. So my favorite part about this is the color combination. This red is my favorite color of red. And then we get some gold and black in there and it looks really good. So if you or your friends are interested in knowing how to make these baggers go from 900-pound, Sunday cruisers to performance bikes, come see us. We'll talk you through everything and we'll see what we can do for you. Thanks again.